Hello students. In case of addition of new partner, the next adjustment is relating to revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. In case of addition of new partner, the firm's assets are revalued and liabilities are reassessed. That means the existing assets and liabilities are revalued and reassessed. Here one thing is important. What do we mean by revaluation? Revaluation means to decide the present value of the existing assets, to determine the present value of the existing assets, rechecking the value of assets at the time of admission. This is revaluation. And reassessment of liability means to assess the value of liabilities at the time of admission. Reassess the value of liability at the time of admission, that is deciding or fix the amount of liability when a new partner is admitted. In case of revaluation or reassessment, there will be changes in the value of existing assets and existing liabilities. That changes either as increases or as decreases. Due to increases and decreases, they are raised profit or loss, that is known as profit or loss on revaluation. For calculation of this profit or loss, we prepare an account that is known as revaluation account or profit and loss adjustment account. This is prepared as, see here, this is the account, debit side and credit side. In case of revaluation of asset will be increased or decreased. Suppose if asset increase, that is the profit for the business, and if asset decrease, this is the loss for the business. So you know, in the profit and loss, profits are shown in the credit side and losses are shown in the debit side. So if asset increase, then you have to put here by that particular asset name. You have to give the name here. Buy asset means buy furniture, buy building, buy land, like that, with increased value. This is the increased value. ये होगा with the increased value. जो भी एसेट बढ़ेगी वो क्रेडिट साइड जाएगी, क्योंकि इससे फर्म को प्रॉफिट होगा. इसका रिवर्स ले लीजिए. In case when the value of asset decrease, then two assets, here you have to give the name of asset particular, like to furniture, to stock, or with the decreased value. With the decreased value. If assets are decreased, put the credit side. If assets are decreased, put the debit side. With the decreased value, here with the increased value. Now next, take the liability. If liability increase, that is the loss for business. Then show here to liability. You have there here particular name of liability, like creditors, loan, like that, and with increased value. That will be here increased value of liability, and reverse by liabilities with the name of that liability, that will be with decreased value. If liability is decreased, then it's a profit, it's a gain for the business. Now put the credit side, and if increase, that is the loss for business, put the debit side. So this is increase in asset here, increase in liability here. Decrease in asset here, decrease in liability here. Suppose sometime there are some unrecorded assets that are not in record, and at that time they are found. Then if asset unrecorded will be here because it is increases in asset by unrecorded asset. और ये क्या होगा, विद बुक वैल्यू. That is given at that time. And if any liability are recorded, then to unrecorded liability. How that will be with full value. That is decided at that time. तो अगर कोई एसेट अनरिकॉर्डेड है, that is the increase in asset to the credit side. If any unrecorded liability at that time, that will be the debit side. After that, total the amount of both sides and calculate the difference. If credit side more than debit side, called profit on evaluation. Profit on revaluation. That is, if debit side more than this side, then by loss on revaluation. This profit or loss is divided among all partners in their all profit sharing ratio and transferred to their capital or current account. A, B, like that. Suppose there are two partners, that this amount is divided between the A and B in their own ratio and transferred to their capital account. This is now it is balanced. This is the revaluation account, and this is prepared on the basis of entries for evaluation. You can make the journal entries on the basis of this format, like that. Suppose asset increase, that means asset account debit to revaluation account. Asset decrease, that means revaluation account debit to asset account. Liability decrease, that means that liability, suppose creditor account debit to revaluation account. Suppose liability increase, suppose creditor increase, then revaluation account debit to that particular liability account. Suppose prepaid insurance is not recorded, then you have to make entry prepaid insurance account debit to revaluation account. Suppose outstanding repair bill is not recorded, then it will be revaluation account debit to outstanding repair bill account. And here amount of decrease, amount of increase, here book value at that time, this is increased value, this is decreased value, and this is the value taken on that time of the particular asset. After that, you make the total of both sides and calculate the difference. The difference is known as profit or loss. If credit side total is more than debit side total, is called profit or evaluation. Vice versa, if debit side more than debit side, if debit side more than credit side amount, then difference is known as loss or evaluation. This profit or loss is divided between the all partner in their all profit sharing ratio and transferred to their capital account, and it is balanced now. This is the revaluation account, and you can make anything with the help of this account. Thank you.